Oh yeah, look at that.
Can you see the smoke?
Yeah, my ass is steaming. We are drying our ass in the volcano. Look at that. It's just there.
Yeah, come on, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Miguel, Miguel, I dare you. You go for it. Come on, pee on it.
Pee on it.
Don't do this alone. Do it, you know, communal.
Communal with everybody looking at me.
Yeah, why not?
I don't know if I can face it handle though. Like when I look at that, my face hurts. I don't know if I will. Yeah, we don't want to achieve anything. Yeah, exactly. These conditions. What? It's like my face. My face. Yeah, exactly. Imagine taking down.
Oh no, we're not. Look, Stephen's not getting an airing right now. Shouldn't go for that.
Well, that's pretty decent.
Yeah, I mean, compared to where we were.
So you're so artsy posting Polaroids.
Maybe
Okay.
Go for Iceland.
Yeah, I mean, it's. We're all just going crazy with pictures. Oh, it turned off. Stephen is trying to feed the lava. Stephen is feeding the lava.
Well, thank you for showing me the volcano and the only thing hotter than that volcano. Both of them were great.